Hi, I'm Jacques Pepin and I'm cooking at home. When I don't know what to do for dinner, I very often end up with eggs. I want to show you there a gratin of eggs, how to do it with a little bechamel, a cream sauce. So here I need about a tablespoon of butter in there and a tablespoon of flour. So this is what you call your roux. You know, when you have the flour and butter together. Usually you mix it, and here I cook it, 10, 15 seconds, 20, 30 seconds, that's it. And then a cup of milk. The milk is cold, as you can see. Dash of salt in there, dash of pepper. And you want to bring that to a boil. That's a cream sauce. Occasionally you mix with your whisk. Make sure that you put the palm of your hand on top of it here to go into those corners here. Yeah. As soon as it comes to a boil, it's going to thicken. So at that point, what we have here, I have eggs here. As you can see that I slice. And those eggs are perfectly cooked. Totally yellow, no green around the yolk. And this is what you don't want. I have 5 eggs here. For 2 people, it would be a nice gratin. And I wanted to show you how to peel an egg. When that egg is lowered into boiling water, 9-10 minutes at the most. As soon as it's cooked, take it out, pour out the boiling water, and put ice or cold water. Leave it in cold water until it's cold enough. This is important. This is what prevents that green tinge around the yolk, because that green tinge is caused by the sulfur in the egg. See, I break it all around there. And of course here, if I were in the sink, I would do that under running water to peel it. You see, because there is a second skin here. And when the water runs, it runs in between that skin and makes it easy to peel. So here, water. Okay. This is my eggs. I have 5 eggs. I can any type of garnish that I want to put on top. Let's see that. Will come to a boil pretty soon. So what I want to do, I have mushroom here. I am going to garnish that. Actually, 1 mushroom, I think maybe enough. I'll put it in my sauce to bring it to a boil. Now it's boiling, as you can see here. And now I will put a little bit of cream in there, probably 1/4 cup or so. And that's it. That's my cream sauce. Very rich and delicious. So in the garnish of this, in that case here, I'm putting a few corn, because I happen to have corn here. I'm putting about 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese. You could put Swiss cheese, you could put and I have a little bit of ham here. 2 small slices of ham. So I put also the garnish on top. I'm going to put some cracked pepper on top of that. I think I'll need it more. I can do that ahead. If you do it ahead, you want to cook it in the oven, a regular oven, 400 degrees, probably 20 minutes. If it's boiling hot when I put that on top, then I can do it under the broiler. Some chives. And of course you can do the same idea with a gratin of cauliflower, a gratin of different type of vegetables. So here, move it a little bit to have some of the sauce going in between. Here we are here. Maybe a teaspoon or so of parmesan cheese on top of it. Ready too. And that's it. Now I'm going to put that under the broiler for a few minutes. Of course, you can prepare that ahead and put it in the when you're ready. Here is my gratin of eggs. Now 3 minutes under the broiler. makes a delightful dinner or a lunch. Nothing like eggs. Making a mess with the cheese. Very good. Okay. Here is our gratin of eggs with bechamel, a little cream sauce, and a little bit of ham in it and corn. Happy cooking!